Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can copy a shadow from your image in an easy way. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So I have an image of a bottle here. So the first step that you are gonna do is to make the selection of this bottle. I select object selection tool and make the selection of the bottle. After making the selection, press Ctrl J so that we have a bottle on our new layer. Then what you're gonna do is to make another layer and then give it a name, background, and we are gonna give it some light yellow color. Now press Alt and backspace to fill it with this color. Again, I am going to hide this layer. Now make a copy of your background layer and name it as shadows. Now select a polygon lasso tool and make the rough selection of the shadow. After you select the shadow, create a mask on it. Now select the image and apply levels. You can adjust the level according to your need. I think this is fine. After applying the level, you have to clip it to the bottom layer. Now we are going to apply black and white adjustment layer and also clip it. So now we have to bring our background layer below our shadow layer, and then again click on the eye button to make it unhide, and then we change our shadow layer mode to multiply. So you see the edges are some awkward. Now again click on the levels and adjust it so that only shadows are visible. So this is how you can easily copy the shadows of an image. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Till now, bye bye.